Suba Eikhoi Imphal International Film Festival Eiiff Ngasi hounabi matung ina Houdokkhre Palace Compound Labor City Convention Center da pangthokhiba thauram aduda IPR Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Manipuri Film ge saknairaba filmmaker Aribam Shyam Sharma amade Manipur Lenga ke Chief Secretary PK Singh na mathang state na Chief Guest Special Guest amade President oina sarugyaki Thauram aduga mari leindana lamdam asige saknairaba filmmaker Aribam Shyam Sharma hai Imphal haiba wahi ase hairakpada Mahangna kumja Inglisang Machamapan Nifu Hundoigi 10 May da Japan na Imphal da bom Thadarapa Numit adu Ningsingki. Thaudok aduna Imphal ase Malem da Khanghanki. International Film Festival sing na Mahake Film Amade Manipur bung masak tak pangamki. Kumja Inglisang Machamapan Humfutara Nitoida State asigi oina ihan hana puthokiba film aduda Mahak Music Director amade actor oina sarugyaki. Manipur ase nat amade culture ase yamna ina khunba lamdam amane. Kumja Inglisang Machamapan Marifuma toida Mahakna imagi ningthem haiba film ase director oiduna puthoki. Adubo film adu miyamna yamna yengnaba amade oikide. Madudagi Mahak private producer singna puthokpa film makhata na number lepki. Masigi matung kumja Inglisang Machamapan Marifutara Mathoida Mahakna Durdasan puthokpa isano haiba film ase namkibane. Madam adudade National Film Festival ase Saddle Language Film amate non-saddle language film haina khaidoklame. Masida Mahakna yamna kanna yaningdaba phungdokhi. Atopa art form singda saddle language amade non-saddle language haiba khaidruga film da khairakpa ase pendaba phungdokhi. Hauzik Pangthokliba Film Festival asige matangda palladuna mahakna makhatan hai asigumba film festival asina apikpa lamdam singge filmmaker singda ngaklo ama pigani thaze haina mahakna makhata ki.
Time festivals, small festivals are very important for us. In a very big festivals, we get lost. But in a small film festivals, we somehow we can have fancy and know each other, exchange our ideas. And so I think Manipur films, Eikhoi Imphal Festival, this type of festival is very important for us. And I am very happy that this is organized here at Imphal, and this is the second edition. And I have more and more editions of this festival. And today I want to share some of my experiences.
Thauram mari leindana IPR Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan hai film haiba asidadi lon haiba leite film amana utliba wari adu ayengba mi singna khangliba mane. Mase film gi top singthaningai oiba machat amane asigumba International Film Festival ama Imphal da pangthokpa se yamna singthaningai ne film festival asida saruk yaba lakliba mapal leba ke delegate sing taramna oi film festival ase maipakpa oiresanu haina mahakna makhata ki.
All of us know that the impact that the film have on the society, on the culture of a community or a state or on any individual. I think it can bring about a lot of positive changes, and I'm sure many of the filmmakers here must be bringing about a lot of change to their cinema. And while I was just listening to Padma Shyam, a number of films which we've heard but which we did not get the chance to see. I'm sure if all of the, yes, some of the films have been restored. I'm sure if all of the films can be, restored in a very proper way, I think that would be a boon for the people of our state and many of the people who are really involved in the filmmaking.
Ngasi thauram aduda festival asige catalog amade bulletin sing so phongdokhe festival asige ngasi ahoba numita tongan ba theater mari MSFDSK Palace Auditorium Chandrakirti Auditorium Tanthapolis amade Kumexta pungfam amakhaktada world class kama oiriba Aribam Shyam Sharma gi isano kaptana hudokani. Ngasidagi tha asigi mapan fauba numit mari chupna chathagadaba film festival asida malemgi maming leiraba film kaya ama utkane. Film festival asida fiction, non-fiction, short film yauna punna film yankai mari utkane. Film festival asigi international competition section da fiction amadi non-fiction film punna film kun mathoina sarugyari. Fiction film ge international competition section da tongan ba ke film sing yauna film taramathoina sarugyari. Masigi manungda Rimadas ke maming leiba film Village Rockstars 2 amade lamdam asige maming leirabi Lakshmi Priyaga film Bung na chingbasu yauri. Non-fiction ge international competition section dana film tarana sarugyari. Section asida malimda maming leiraba filmmaker Sarvnik Gargi Against the Tide, Bhutan ge Arun Bhattarai Drotria Jurbo ge film Agent of Happiness amade Manipuri ge Meena Longjam ge Andro Dreams na chingbasu yauri. Film sing asigi manungda Oscar Award ta Best Documentary Feature Film ge nominate tawkiba Sarvnik Kaur ge film All That Breathes amade Chidananda as Naik ke Sunflowers Were the First Ones to Know na chingba film sing yauri.